motor vehicle.
We
Buy
have
some new
14
Toyota
tariffs, so all we have to
Coaster.
do.
This is disgraceful. No question about it.
And you know what? You know what is ironic?
Worse.
You know what is wrong, Comrade Ingram? When you speak on issues like this, the first thing come out of their mouth is that you're bad mind. You're bad mind. What is a bad mind perhaps is for the safety of our children. If we can't ask for safety of our children, how can we be bad mind? How bad mind coming out of the argument there?
How could we be bad mind? Our money is spent. How can we be bad mind for asking about how they're spending our money?
My fiance now.
Go to the man now.
Now listen to the news.
Prime Minister.
But the word bad mind is not parliamentary, nor prime ministerial language. You know why my prime minister and my member of parliament if we're running up and down talking about bad mind? Bad mind and then the argument and neighbor and fisherwoman argument. People can discuss a problem and point out an issue and you go look at them and tell them,
But
bad mind.
the word opposition, what does it mean?
Because the opposition is not there to rubber stamp what the
No, we need to talk about it. If we disagree, that's it.
Of course, we're not there to rubber stamp what the government do. I suppose one of the bus run off of one hill with 40 or 60 students tonight or anything happen.
We put aside and didn't say anything.
Exactly.
So we're in agreement with them, so we have to do that. We have to we cannot use that. We cannot use that bus and take our children. Because if it wrote out from the other country, why are we taking it in? What we have to do? If they write it up, we don't need to.
If we over here support them,
I have the money
take them out of service, and you're going to spend $1.4 billion. And all the way you buy a pay all bus. I all charge the police. All know we don't get them yet. Right? And you can't carry an old vehicle in the island older than 10 years. So how we have a 16-year-old old bus coming to the island? That's not right. Something wrong.
Hey, you know.
Talk, everybody. You're
Hey,
back,
may I ask a question? What we argue about? We are arguing about.
No, we are not arguing comment though. We just.
No, I just want to know because I'm confused. Listen, when we listen about we come, when we listen about we comrades, we are give JLP them more money, more to say we bad mind. Because let me show me I say, let me show me I say, no, leave me say me I say, no, leave me say me I say, leave me say me I say, please, leave me say me I say, please. Because the PNP not about bus are got broke down and ray. The PNP never argue that. The PNP argue for the fact that the road, we are the rural bus. These bus cannot manage the rural roads. That's the point the PNP argue. The fact that you go buy a retired bus, that's the fact the PNP argue. The PNP argue about no cut over this or no bus this or driver, you have to go here drive left and drive. The PNP. Let me finish now. Oh, not talk about this all. Let me talk, I don't go debunk me, I say, me make sense, man. Because when I make sense, I remember come across, man. The PNP is arguing that we cannot use taxpayer money, buy bus, for the rural bus, rural service. These bus cannot go up the hills of Trelawney. It can't go up the hills of Christian and Mandeville. It can't go up these hills and these corners. That's what the PNP argue about. These bus cannot manage these routes. Okay? We're going to inherit these bus. What the PNP will do, them now go dash away. Them bus are going to run in the town center, town them, because we can't waste $1 billion. And the PNP now argue about no bus I go crash like a town and kill people. Or the PNP now argue a bus I go drive on left hand. Because enough left hand vehicle there in Jamaica. The PNP is saying that it's not good money spent. These are retired bus. We can't manage our hilly terrain. That's what they argue about. And I'm going to stick to this so and stop talking about left and drive and cut. Yes, so and way blah.
No, but it is obvious that that
we are
gonna
saying,
happen, comrade you.
wait now. When I'm finished now, the
We
PNP
don't
is
go
saying
left and
that
drive back home.
these buses are retired. These buses are retired to drive on good, flat roads in the states. How we okay go up in the hills and valley? How it a go? So first, that a one. Two, the bus maximum at 500 miles, 500,000 miles. With over 380,000. When we waste money
some
by
380, some even up to 400 miles.
exactly 400,000.
No value, no, we don't get no value for that.
No
When most people,
Hold on,
yeah,
Jamaica.
most of we've been argue, but some people get in the point say the fact that we have to retrofit
So
it in
you-
Jamaica in
that
focus.
also, that also,
Jamaica in focus. Let come
Me
and
understand.
you enclose.
Me understand what you're saying, Jamaica, but the point, no, me not agree, me not disagree nobody. So I'm going to stick to the point, say. The bus is not
No,
fit
you can't
and
tell
not
people what the point.
Let me finish, man.
There's a lot
Let me
of
finish.
points.
Let me finish.
Let him finish and then
May I
you
tell
just
you
start
how the
over.
PNP, may I tell you how me and my party leader and the party argue. This then says a rural
Shut them
bus
up.
team. Can these bus manage the rural roads? Can these bus go to the hills and valleys, Christiana, Mandeville, and the hills and valley? Can it go over these things? Then says a rural bus team. That's the PNP argue, but it's not safe for our children. I drive that bus, I go in a little wine corner there. These bus can't manage them corner there. But now I could go by part and say left and drive, and we are cut the door there, so and we are going to do that. Make we argue all the PNP, make we sell it, all the PNP sell it. Waste money to buy a bus that is retired. That is what them.
There's a lot of pointers in the argument.
Okay.
There's a lot of pointers
But
in
we
the
can't
argument.
stick to it. We don't want more things to do. We make a labor them. Wait a man. They live
Hold on,
in the
don't do
argument,
that,
you know,
don't
because
do
they
that.
know
Hold on,
we had to be
let me
distracted for a
Cosmos,
couple of days about this dumb school bus.
Hold on, you
But
want
me
to
not
stick
feeling,
on a...
me not reaching the sticking point yet. A point to me I say we spend 1 week or they about something where they want to distract upon a thing.
That may
Where they put
is a
up with land
distraction.
thing and we not talk about it. A distraction, this time come and dirty
A
confuse every day I
distraction,
come with
man. I
it.
said,
Bumbo
all I
class,
labor
fucking
them
bus
push
bus.
that distraction.
All right.
I live on the platform and we are following
Let's
them.
focus on Cosmo.
No, we think, man.
Let me say a quick point there.
But a refocus about we think, but a
And the
refocus.
thing, Darrell Vaz do a press conference today. He said them spend $1.4 billion on 10 bus. And when you work out that, that's a 12.7 million Jamaican dollars. And when you work it out now US dollar, that's about 80,000 US dollar for
75.
one of the bus. Yeah?
75,540.
for one of the bus.
I put it at 158 to 1.
That's a high
it's
rate.
a
Probably. One of those bus
it's a
costs
160.
more than 20,000.
Right. So here happened. There is a lot of pointers in the argument, right? And one of the pointers that that people need. I am in the taxi business, and you don't. The transport authority does not allow a left-hand drive vehicle to do in public passenger
Public
Why they
transport.
breed
Yeah.
here? So that's the thing you understand. We have to.
I mean, they allow it for personal use,
So
but
that
not
is-
for public
the
transport.
door-
Right. So
Everything
it is a
change.
valid argument. Every part of the argument
Government said
is
law,
a
the government
valid
can't change law,
argument.
brother. Where we are the dash bus and we cover the power.
They haven't changed the law. They don't implement it by September, then and Parliament locks. So when the law
Change the
change,
law. Them are going to change the law. Them have to do it. The point of me argue, we need to argue with the PNP argue about say, then waste the money go buy retired bus. We can't manage rural, because they never say a national, it's a rural school bus. Meaning to go over the hills and the valleys.
but
Can't manage
according
everything there.
according to how me hear that talk, it doesn't seem like he's focusing on the rural areas. It seems like he's just focusing
Yeah,
on all
because you know why,
schools
you know why. Because you realize what the PNP argue about, they can't win it. So they might talk about
They
school.
can't
bus
win
now. I'm look for the
Diane.
phone.
Yes, yes, comrade.
All respect with you, Richards. And I'm not being disrespectful. People who are free-minded individuals.
Are you going to the doctor?
No. People who are free-minded individuals have the ability to make assessment and analysis of any situation and can give their opinion.
Them attack it to the PNP, so the PNP
Sir, can you
them
please
attack
stop
what you
calling me
for
a
the PNP do.
I allow you to
But you,
talk.
but you know, make it look bad for the PNP.
They are
We say we
muting,
talk about the
they are
PNP.
muting. They are muting now.
You wait a little bit. Make me your excellent. Did I say?
No, no, we don't need for that. We don't need for
Yeah, we don't
this.
need to get there now. Let's not go into
No, but
the
you just not tell
hostility and
me
then we're not gonna get
how
there.
to
We don't want
assess
to change
my.
the topic. We still a stick on the bus. I mean,
Yeah.
You Richard was saying, because some people at sometimes take the conversation with a context. We
Yeah, but
understand
you
that
Richard
totally. It
make
wasn't
no
what was
sense by
happening
trying to
now
tell
though.
me. Because if he was listening to the conversation before, he would
Start
not
is
be
coming
talking
up.
about the waste
We'll
of
blow him.
taxpayers' money. That was the core of
Yeah.
a waste of taxpayers' money.
Mm-hmm.
That was the core of what we have been saying all afternoon. So all you Richard want to tell us now, tell us how to discuss a matter. If you want to sing all the song the party has sing it.
But
But never tell everybody to sing a song. The PNP is a democratic organization.
right, because with the argument have a lot of valid
Yes.
points against it.
So you
So
have
you
to
have to
point them
point out
out.
valid points
Yes, the
to it.
PNP is a democratic organization
They don't
that
like when
allows
we
for
say
free
the buses
discussion.
are old buses, but the fact is the buses are old decommissioned buses. And when I think we need to start using the term decommissioned more because it sends that it gives a clearer
Thank
view
you.
of how bad these buses
Thank,
are.
thank you. Thank you.
Because
When you go, when but Jamaican focus. When we go on the site and we look and we find out that the bus are decommissioned after they do
yeah,
250 miles,
250 miles, whether
250,000
between
miles,
12 to 15 years or 250 miles,
right?
whichever one
And
comes first.
so it have a year span of
Hmm.
12 to 50. Some of the bus them depends on the journey where they do they
Yeah,
decommission
yeah,
after
because they
9 years.
can end up to they can do
Because they do
some. You have some counties that go up to 300 miles, but the standard is 250,000 miles.
right,
And the thing is,
right.
So,
sometimes the
If
miles are 50 before the actual 12 to 15 years. So they do get decommissioned earlier,
exactly.
but you reach the
but
mileage.
but Cash, if you listen to
Hmm.
Darvas to the Darvas, remove it from rural bus system and now I say national bus system, he might talk like a town and Portmore bus already now.
That
Which
is
Because
the
he
same
realized
point.
which
they can't win. Wait, man, finish up. He realized they can't win the illiterate argument. Them but
hmm
they can't manage the rural area. So he might carry back down in the flat now.
That's why we now
hmm
To
come
make
out
it
with the
look
hmm
left
bad,
and
so we
the
are
right
fight
hmm
against the
hand
thing.
and all the
hmm
things.
That's why you have to that's why you have to attack the
Angle.
argument from
Right.
different
You
Agree,
can't
but we
come
need to
out
point
because
out.
him
right.
a changing mode
You
in
have
a
to go
too
from
many
different
ways.
angles.
Because him a
hmm
Yeah,
changing mode from
Because
rural.
Right.
if you change it from rural to just everywhere school
Mm-hmm.
bus, then it's really
National.
not in
So
address the pain points that we're
we have
trying
to
to
bring in
address.
about the using
Because
of the bus and the old bus them and all the different
right,
angles of things when we
right.
know in order to know
Me
say
understand,
the system
me
is
comrade. Me
defective.
understand, hey, me understand my comrade. But if you
Our
look up on the platform
excellent
right
them
now,
says the right thing. So
30,
we cannot
30, me
shut up our
understand now, but
mouth
you understand, man?
hardly and talk
No,
about
it's a
only
question
this
me
and talk about
ask.
only that.
No, it's a question me ask. Me say, what we are arguing about? We are
Argue, we're
left and
speaking
right and
about the
right.
thing.
No, no, man.
I see the thing
Let me
is,
say, what we are,
let's move
yeah.
on from
You
this, you Richard. We get what you're not saying. Well, we
No,
the
man,
core of
yeah,
the
I agree
argument
now.
depend
What are
what
we
the PNP say.
the whole of we in
Yeah.
agreement with it. Say, them, if both them can't manage the illiterate, them no say can manage illiterate now, so them are carry to people, them like them I say, we are fight against school bus.
Yeah.
Say me I
And
say,
yeah, we
come
have
me
to
one girl,
continue to
me
repeat
I
the
try sit
point,
on
say,
video, yeah.
You Richard, you know that's
Me I
the
try
whole
sit one girl
of
video when she a
you
try come
Richard. You know that's the problem. You listen to too much of our labor,
they are going to find the worst things to say because
right? Because the labor they're not gonna
so can we continue to
yeah, but we
regurgitate
exactly.
listen to
that
them and we have to debunk them.
Them are
we
defend for
support
them
a
part.
school bus system, but we do not support this approach,
Agree.
and we also do not support buying these old decommissioned buses when they cannot manage our
Exactly.
terrain.
That's it.
And the main point of the whole, the
And
main reason why we thought about a school bus system to begin with is to reach into these deep rural areas for the students who are being affected when it comes to getting decent transportation to school. So if it's Darrell Vaz is going to change it and say that this is now a general school bus system, then it's really not addressing the pain points that we started out to address in the first place.
Hold on, West. Let me address your comment. $2,000 for
That's
use
not
bus
value
is
for
not
money. That's
is not
highway
fair.
robbery.
It's not that's not valid for money because the bus in the United States, when these buses are decommissioned, they don't sell for
$20,000
no
maximum.
whole for money.
And depending on how bad it is, you will find some
Right?
cash the US dollar.
You get bus for $3,000 because the mileage upon them. So spending $80,000 for one bus, used
No,
bus is
yeah,
not valid for money.
American sell
Cadet,
bus about used
give me
bus.
a second, the
America sell bus
Eurocharts.
by the
Cadet,
mileage. By
give
the
me a
mileage.
second,
Yeah.
Eurocharts.
By the
Give me
mileage.
a second,
Yeah.
Eurocharts. Can we
I'm
realize the
not
Kelly
exactly.
can't see past the nose? Cadet,
Got it
of
done,
course,
swat.
the school principals are going to, any system you come with, they welcome it because they want to solve, they want to
No.
But
solve,
it's a
Hey,
JLP
they want,
principal. It's a
listen, they
JLP
want to
but
solve
principal.
the issue just the
two
same
principal.
of students not able to come
Two
to
labor
school. But
principal.
hold on. So any system you come with, they will accept it. However, if you're looking at a long-term system,
No.
are we saying that because the principal accept these old buses now, we're not going to have any issues once done?
The two first were saying
Million people. Good
no.
Jamaica, you
afternoon,
have to put
everybody.
it in. Hold on,
Good
you have to put
afternoon,
it in
everybody on
focus.
the
That
Hold
the
on,
platform.
two
advocate.
principal that come out and endorse the program. Hold on. The two person that came out and endorse, principal that came out and endorse the program. There are people, principal that
Yeah.
Jamaica
But
Labour
even if
One of
Party.
so,
them were
Cosmo, thinking on a principal
So
perspective,
we know that.
if I'm a
Let's say that.
principal and whatever system the government introduces, I am going to gladly accept it because I want my students to be able to come to school more regularly. So, them telling us that principals gladly accept the program is neither here nor there because the principals are not thinking about the longevity. It's not their responsibility to think about the longevity and the maintenance issues that we'll be having down the road.
And it will bring a cost on
Uh,
the taxpayers.
You understand? It's the government's responsibility to think through this thing, ensure that it works, and we won't have a major issue a couple months down the road. The principal not think about that. The principal just are glad say yes, but I come on my school, me pick them can come in more.
You're man saying the thing here. I saw a lot of these buses in idle and empty lots while the state employ new drivers for new ones. And
yeah, because
Most of the
have
school
not
Diane,
districts right now,
meant to say it again, say
Diane,
they got a call and some persons in the US they don't do
mhm.
them again. So I don't know.
No, listen,
Diane,
all the
Yes.
buses look the
hold on.
same.
Advocate
Jamaica,
want to talk.
Yeah.
Jamaica in focus.
Yeah, go
You
ahead.
see, most of these, you see those buses, right? Afternoon to everybody on the platform.
Yeah,
Afternoon.
man,
Somebody
afternoon,
mute
bro.
me, please, before me even start talk. You know, mute the man that out of the comment. Just mute him out. Because it's a big distraction to the platform. But what may I say, right?
Yeah.
They say most of the buses them what they importing at the island right now. The age of those buses have been retired, yes. Because most of the buses over here now in the school districts they're going to electrical
Moving
buses.
into electric. Yeah.
Right? So that is why they're getting rid of all of these old diesel buses. Now
Mm-hmm.
when I got trained on these school buses, right? I have to do my pre-trip inspection in the morning to make sure that all of the necessary holes and everything is intact. Make sure my tire pressure and everything intact, right? When we go and run my trip with my bus and come back, I have to do another post-trip inspection. Now these buses, as I say for morning, if you go around to corner them, while they are Jamaica,
It's
it's
going to be an
going to
issue.
be a big problem
Mm-hmm.
because the buses cannot make that turn what
Yeah.
the regular buses can make.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And even when you try to back up them bus, and I like you drive a regular bus.
You know, is that true? Let me see
You
what is
understand me?
happening.
And I drive a box truck. And I like
Mm-hmm.
you drive a trailer. Them bus there when
You're
you back
carrying
them up, they're
kids.
complicated. Right? Me understand where they say, but sometimes you need to just understand. Say when you come on a platform and you understand the person who try to make a point, you relax, you listen to the point, and you try to say, okay, that's what I want to know. Everybody's point is valid, Mr. Richards. Everybody's point is valid. And when it come on to this bus issue, everybody in a Jamaica point is valid.
All our kids will be on those buses.
Respectful of whatsoever anybody else is saying and anything else. We don't have distractors out there. But our points are valid.
Very valid.
No matter about safety, are the kids them and all of that.
Listen,
but
part of the reason why America decommissioned these buses is safety. They're not safe to carry the kids, and maintenance cost is too expensive to even think about maintaining them for any longer. So I want people to understand
one of the biggest safety
buses.
concern for me is when you retrofit the bus, the door from the right hand side, put it on the left hand side behind the driver.
This system is free, right? You go weak, some parts I go weak.
Yeah, but you put the door right behind the driver. Think about that.
There's a lot of defect then.
Yeah, because the only way they can move the door to the next side, they have to end up behind the driver.
All right. Most of these drivers in Jamaica, right?
I'm a coach in
Jamaica in focus.
There's a coach down there in JUTC.
A coach driver.
And they have a good experience about all these because
no, but these buses, Diane, you see them bus here? You see, you have to get training for the bus here.
I'm hearing you because you guys drive them. So.
You see the air brake system on them bus here? It's different now when you drive the regular vehicle.
But
how much time it will take to train these people to go drive them bus there?
Hold on, advocator. Are you a driver of one of these? Hold on, then. Are you a driver? Or are you a driver of one of these buses in the United States?
That's what he said.
Yeah, you mean just
hold on, then. Hold on, eh?
Yeah, he said.
Yeah, we used to drive school bus. We used to not drive it anymore.
Alright, how long was the training for driving one of these buses?
Me take what?
How long did you go into training to drive?
Me take 3 to 4 weeks to drive it. To learn to drive it. To do the theory, and do all of the tests on the air brake and everything about the bus.
Okay.
About a month, basically.
I want some of the people in America and Canada, you see? Stop telling the people in Jamaica it's the same bus they have in America and Canada. They only look the same. The ones that are here running on the road are newer model buses. Stop telling people it's the same bus they might drive right now in America and Canada. It's not true. They only look the same.
But you see, when a man can make a turn with one of them buses, even when they come off of the hill, trust me, it'll be rough on them.
But Raymond says, advocate, Raymond again says in the comment,
hey, them
very difficult to maneuver on these small roads.
I am thinking about those buses going through the junction and going through our garden to hills.
So the way all them think about it, they're not go about it the right way.
That's what I'm saying, because it wasn't included in the budget.
The procurement system of these buses, I don't think it was done properly.
Ability study, nothing at all was done. It was a hurry too much to land because they hear Mark Golding and the opposition mention rural school bus system.
Advocate, one thing we can tell everybody, and
we have some money, man. My God.
I will stick to my theory until the day I die. This rural bus system is a last mechanism to make sure that when the GLP power, somebody is still making a lot of money with the government.
And comrade, no, just a school bus system.
We're not
the only rural bus
bus
system right now, plan rural bus
Tap out the life, people
is the PNP. This they have is not rural bus
people.
Because the way I'm have it on GIS, on the GIS website, it is not a rural bus system.
Tap up the line,
for the entire country. Because as I showed earlier on, I'm develop how much buses for each parish and how much it don't serve and all of these things. I don't know if I see it earlier on and time I put it up on Brian. But that's how I'm develop with the buses then. So
Bus per
all
parish.
island bus
10 bus per
system.
parish.
Can't be
What you say you?
10 bus per parish.
No, brother.
10 bus per parish.
To
no,
start, I think.
can't be
Eh?
10
Eh?
bus per parish.
No, you.
It can't be 10
How
bus
much
per
bus?
parish.
How much bus? How much bus? How
110.
much bus now?
110.
If me
A
hear
two
right, a
bus,
Well, but
two
two
bus per
bus, two
parish. Yes,
bus,
a
two
two bus
bus.
per
no,
parish.
8 bus per
How
parish.
much
One.
you want?
8 bus.
No,
Yo,
but
Eight bus
me
per
say,
Rule
parish.
boy, Lion,
Richard,
pull up my
remember, you
big
know,
box
they
for
can't
this.
put all of them out on the road. Some have to stay for back up.
I remember 14, 14.
So they
Let
now
me
go
say
put
14,
all
8, 14 how
110
much?
See there.
on the road.
See what I said. Look
And
good.
remember, not all 110 go ready anyway, because they have to retrofit them.
See what I said. Look funny.
Can you read it, advocate?
All right. It said the
Okay.
bus says.
We see it,
Put
man.
them
Put
at
it
a
back
big
on the
box.
big screen.
Oh, you
there.
ain't up out that, man.
Yeah.
All right. It said the
Okay.
buses will be allocated as follow.
Okay.
Rural St. Andrew. Right? They said 23 buses to serve the schools. No, 7 buses serve 23 schools.
In
That's
a,
7
7
buses.
bus
No,
for
in a
3
St.
in a
schools.
St.
Andrew,
1
Andrew.
bus
St.
for
Andrew,
school.
and St. Thomas, 7 buses to serve 10 schools.
All right.
St. Mary, 7 buses to serve schools. Portland, 7 buses serving 8 schools. St. Anne, 10 buses serving 29 schools. Killarney, 5 buses serving 22 schools. St. James, 8 buses serving 17 schools.
Yeah.
Westmoreland, 8 buses serving 11 schools. Manchester, 7 buses serving 27 schools. St. Elizabeth, 7 buses serving 25 schools. And Clarendon, 9 buses serving 30 schools. How will this work?
I want to ask the question, it's going to be worth.
So based on the numbers, he's putting in the mix the bus to both primary and secondary
You
students.
take a screenshot of this.
Because he's having both primary and secondary students going into the bus. Me no see that.
Me not see feasible right now based on what I just read. But I'll look into it more.
And nobody can say
And the question,
after the JI's website that come out.
So listen, comrades, you see like this way, if advocate put up, I say you need but the that them I go over Clifffield and ram in a stinking mouth.
Come on, Clifffield, go see the truth in your face and still talk the wrong. You have to understand.
if you as a person, as a journalist, want to get the opinion of a principal about the bus system, I feel like the best principal you can call is Makulski.
Because we're
It
gone.
shows the type of person you are.
I'm gonna never jump in, jump out, alright? Jump out.
Because Makulski was the man who wanted to replace Andy Shaw. So
I want to so 2 of them are 2 labor. Here the headline now. Teachers, principals across Jamaica supported the bus system. Two dirty labor, right? And they support the bus system.
So what my thing is, and I will say it again, because we still get the answer from the smart labor right. What about the students who have to go cross border to get the education? How it can work?
One bus will stay at border.
One of us will stay by to pick up.
Say Raymond, Raymond.
Can I make an input?
Raymond, he's one of the coach for JUP.
Yeah, Raymond, give us a 2 cents.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to say anything?
I can give you some understanding about coach driving, where that is concerned. I work for Juta for the last 15 years, and I can tell you, accessing certain like attractions. Some of the attractions are off the road. It's very difficult to put a 44-foot bus in some of them areas. Because turning a corner, making a corner then, a corner you need at least 6 feet of clearance. That means the bus going to maneuver on the other side of the road to deal with certain corners. So I don't think some of these buses gonna work. especially those that come with the conventional fronts.
Okay. Why Raymond? Why to the long front?
No, it need more space to maneuver, to really turn a corner, you know. Cause you be sitting behind the wheel instead of in front of the wheel or over the wheel. Which are like the Chinese or the Japanese coaches, the turning wheel is behind you. So you get to see around the corner before you can turn the corner. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you say that the clearance space need to be bigger.
Definitely.
Your clearance
You have like a 6 feet overhang at the back and the same at the front. The wheelbase is the same, you know. The wheelbase gonna be the same, but the overhang on both the front and the back, that is where the problem come in. Cause you can, if you take the corner, I mean too steep, you can experience something like a tail swing, where you can mash up other people's vehicle, or the tail swing into the bank or something like that. So you need clear spaces to operate.
Okay.
So I mean highway buses those no. They're not rural so.
So Raymond, never question to ask. I'm not so knowledgeable because I kind of lack sense. Basic school education, yeah. Minister say, the drive one of them bus here, the school are going to employ a driver. Then the driver JUTC are going to train him. And I trust that what amount of training that driver going to get, he can maneuver them a whole time. Or maneuver them a bus.
Yes, man.
Why you wouldn't use the train JUTC driver them? Why you know the system already where basically now have no shift there. Move them in a school system till these drivers fully trained and you feel they're road ready. You go drive them a bus now.
Because they go promise for you to forget the vote.
Alvaro, I'm going to use Nutswood as an example. If you apply for a job at Nutswood as a coach driver, all when you have that experience, you're gonna sit on that bus with a prominent driver for 3 months. 3 months. You're going to sit at the...
So what amount of training Mr. Vaz expecting that people have to get? If you bust them come already and the system roll out, then the driver drive them down the maximum.
Man, you can't the least experienced driver you can't put in one of those buses is a man who operate like a coaster. Because the coaster basically carry the same tail swing, even though it's not that tall as the coach.
But he can have the same mechanism.
Yeah, same way. Yeah. Wow. You only have to extend your judgment all because it's a longer vehicle.
But we don't want to extend the judgment with people pitting our bus.
You see?
Raymond.
But you can't put a car driver in one of those buses.
Raymond.
That's what got happen.
Only extended judgment because it's a longer vehicle. You have to take into consideration it's a left-hand drive vehicle also.
Yeah, that is one of that's gonna be one of the biggest problems. Cause the average Jamaican, even now, if it was further down like in the 90s and in time when most vehicles are coming, most left-hand drive vehicles here them time. But you find some more right-hand drive vehicle here now in Jamaica. Left-hand drive vehicle are just private. Most of those vehicles are like American trucks. American trucks are left-hand drive, come left-hand drive straight. You see? But most of the vehicles, Japanese coaches them, right-hand drive. Chinese coaches, right-hand drive. So it'll take vast more experienced persons to deal with that.
You see, the thing is, Japan has a lot of Elitarians like Jamaica. Very similar. And why you think they chose to use coaster buses for their school bus system instead of these big buses?
Yeah, cause we buy a lot of second-hand buses, coaster buses coming from Japan. We're in our system, which are school buses.
Okay. No, I know for a fact that the Japan school bus system is all the buses are coaster buses. And specifically chose coaster buses because of the hilly terrain. And like I said, their hilly terrains are very similar to Jamaica.
You have to at some point cross the boundary. You might not make it.
Bus they go for one place, then tickets are drive a mountain. You got tickets, you go down a valley, then you go key your cast down them school in a Brownstone. Oh, you bus a man in the route there, they not give them the route in the bus.
Right, man, I drive a coach to Brownstone maybe a few years ago. I mean, I tell you, it take me a long time to reach Brownstone. Long time to reach Brownstone. Because some part of the road are just a bus alone.
Buses are going managed from Duncan to Clarkstone or from Falmouth to Clarkstone to Danieltown. Those
it's very difficult. Very difficult.
Then
very,
the road difficult. Me and I bus them sometime I go down in a little vaccine them and
me I go run from Spanish Town, Portmore to Kingston. Apen to Veer.
They no bother mention with them they bus they are better.
And they go from Savalamar to Negril. Them the place they bus, they not go nowhere else. Montego Bay in a flat place of Montego Bay. In a town part of Montego Bay.
Exactly.
They bus, nah run, me I tell you the bus they can't run nowhere else.
Them so bus they can't manage Duncans.
From Ochiros to Brownstone. From Ochiros to St. Anne's Bay, Discovery Bay upon the flat road there. Can't pass nowhere else. Can't go up nowhere else.
Sometimes 2 car cannot even pass from Danieltown much
less. I'm show you man them devil. If the money where them pay for bus, they could have get 100 bus from Toyota. They could have get 50 bus from Toyota and 50 from Stuart. And
exactly.
Still have money left. But here what them was all of them bus them brand new. Coming up to 4 to 5 years servicing. Now you buy these bus. They don't have no servicing package, you know. Would they not have no servicing package, you know? So you have to go find money for service these bus. As the minister stated in the Observer, the government will provide grants. This schedule servicing. A JUTC are going to do it, you know. But if JUTC did have 500 bus in 2016, and they never have enough staff to service the bus them. But you get staff to go all over here like a service the bus.
But Alvera, those buses are buses?
Yeah, man.
Cummins engine.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the bus them on a freight line, I know.
On a freight line?
Them a Thomas Hilt bus. Thomas Hilt bus. A different company for a freight line.
No, but them America make 4 different engines. So the engine will come in at them bus. Basically, Cummins, Caterpillar, Detroit, are the other.
From that line of Detroit engine then.
Detroit engine. That's the one of the most the most expensive engine that in America.
We have get down some expatriate man to mechanic. We have get some expatriate and pay them US dollar for mechanic man.
Listen, I am why we take off bus off a road where America broad, flat, pretty road them. I carry them kind of hilly terrain. Can these bus manage these hilly terrain?
That is not a big problem. There's no way the cost for that bus can never cost 79,000 US. 79,000 US can give you a brand new car. There's no way that bus can cost over 50,000 US. No way.
But
so that means we want the Auditor General. We need the Auditor General look into that.
If you spend $1 million, divide by 110, that's approximately $12.8 million per bus. If you go to Toyota now, Toyota is selling you one of those coaster bus for 80,000 US, 20% concession, basically a 60% you get there.
That Alvaro, JUTC, I have some trial buses from China.
No, but the
In the
thing is,
system.
the thing
Some
is,
Golden Dragon.
they just got some golden dragon in China.
Golden
Why did
Dragon
not
come
you
in
tell
about
China
3
to sell
different
you some of
sizes.
those buses?
Golden Dragon come in about 3 different sizes. You have the mini coach. You have the small coach and the mini coach, which carry like 41 people. And the bigger coach carry up to 53 people.
But here problem again. So you see, he coach when they get now, based on the Auditor General report, you know, the average time JTC to get parts, he knew a bus where they have now a drive per road, you know. 135 days to get parts. If it's a newer bus. Now, how long it will take to get parts to repair this bus?
They better than me buy some buses from
Alvera, read that Alvera.
Huh? New school
China.
bus range from 90. I'm an idiot, man. Remember say they place them usually work, you know. Me know say cannot buy that.
Understand, but what I'm saying, look at the price of the new ones.
90,000. So if you pay all one,
used
79,000. Why you couldn't pick your I get one another 500 million penny and spend $2 billion and buy a beer new bus? Why you have to go buy your old one them? I'm sure no if you buy it in that huge bulk, the supplier will take off cost off because you're buying a bulk. And a government to government. Or they more cut down the cost.
Advocate, wait, advocate that where's a brand new brand new buses?
Yeah, I hear you. You know what I say?
Brand new 190,000.
The price of the brand new buses?
Yes.
That was a 2025 or 2022? What year bus that?
You, it said the new buses range from 9,000 to 200,000.
General,
and we are paying for 15. We are paying 15. We are paying 15-year-old bus with 70,000.
70,000. You better go pick you on it. You better go look on $600 million and go buy a brand new bus.
I mean buy 50 of them one, brand new one. And I still couldn't run it.
Me can't tell you so when the report is being done or being published, you're going to find some short details come out of it. There's no way. There's no way. No way.
If they had taken the chance and buy some of the Chinese bus, then maybe the nation would be more satisfied.
There's no way. You
we have a lot of Chinese coach right there. Chinese coach take over the country right now.
No, but here we go. If we buy bus them brand new, we sure we get 5 years service.
Advocate, I'm going to send this to Alvera. I can view send it to me from WhatsApp, please. Yeah.
Aye.
Me sure no sir. If one that come with 5 year plus warranty of servicing and parts, these bus know what kind of service them are come to and the bus them 10, 15 good 20-year-old bus. Who going
no,
to
but I'm responsible for the servicing of those buses, right? If you buy the poster.
Hey, the boss, there's something advocate to put up. We need to tag and Joel this night. We need to put it on Twitter and tag him.
Right.
Yeah, man. That's more. Just send it to Alvera. Alvera send it to me.
Yeah, man. Tag it for night, man.
Yeah, tag him and Darvas night. And Cliff Hughes. Yeah, and Cliff Hughes. Yeah.
We say man, man, wicked man. The man have the artist you can explain. How tell us is 1.4 billion. And
come, hey, Darvas don't know. Darvas no going to school, you know. Hey, but Darvas, which high school Darvas got it from? Hillel, Darvas going to Hillel, we don't speak in Jamaica, you know. Hillel, very rich people. This Darvas going to be a dunce.
I don't know about joking. The man ain't taking people in the joke.
I choose Jamaica, you have to go down to some details, you know, how much them buy them bus stuff, you know.
Alvera. We fit with that. And them we unite, you know.
Remember saying, when they first announced Dennis Chung, We show them all our timeline where we get this strong. I
What
then
was
put
it?
him there. I want to see all of what me say. The government can repeat it. See how them change it. And they can't tell why they do it. But me know why they do it. Me and them know why they do it. Okay. I don't know,
What they
see,
do it?
the people understand. This boss,
Hey, tell
this
one girl, hey, tell one girl name sit there at talk boy bust them new one. Ray, Mr. Mo and tag her and me can't stitch a video about. She name Trudy and some boy I want big hat on her face.
hold on. You have to understand, you know, you. We don't understand now. Then get a message to sell, but not all sense. For them not sensible to understand. No. You look on these bus and say, all right, just claim to them new. All right, you don't carry any bus. You are going to buy a bus, then you have to retrofit them. Remember, say this retrofit process in Jamaica, it take place, you know. It's JUTC staff and a Brazilian company do the station at JUTC, you know, a contract. They have with JUTC retrofit bus, you know. Then, if you have to do all of those nice fang dangle work, you know, matters you can buy a bus from Toyota and Stuart, where you don't need none of them.
Exactly.
You just put the driver in it and the drive.
Hey, but when them just started this, when they started we against the bus system, and that they start in garbage, you know. Because unless the premise of election after school, after the 1st of September.
No, this
that's the one
bus. Well, I know.
And then campaign funny. So that means that we
This
can
bus.
carry the election call after September, after school opening.
This bus and this drill going to cause serious legal problem. Somebody are catching a serious problem for them people. There's no way you tell me that the procurement process so well, and you look at the age of the bus, and you said, all right, we're going to calculate it in US dollars, and we approximate the 80,000 US dollars for one of these bus, and a brand new one is for $90,000, which would be a 2024 to 2025 bus. Can make sense? People have lost understand, sir. It's just when me come and tell
Dad, me get low. Me I come out here and put it back in the box. Me don't know, me not hear nothing.
Me tell them why you wrong with it. I see me go down to you.
Hear that?
Me come and tell them
Dad, me I come down and put back same time.
I hear you.
I tell them long time so description. The minister said all the process went well. Few weeks later, minister said she can't tell you. They just have a meeting and it just changed. Now think about that. If you have a meeting with Diane Raymond, advocate, excellent. I know random, all I want to book up one time. He must send an email a meeting about X, Y, or Z. So how now you tell me say no paperwork no exist? Where email we send? We confirm the meeting time on the agenda. Because then was say people, if I idiot, we follow back at them and just tell them anything.
Alvira, let me see what Equita I say. Equita, what's up? What's your name? Remedies. Equita Remedies, you're in the box. Unmute your mic. Unmute your mic, Remedy.
Yesterday, in his words, he said tariffs are not inflationary, and that he has typically become frustration over the Fed's policy here.
What is that, news?
For his comments there, tariffs are not inflationary.
So Alzero.
Oh, all right. I'll borrow your box.
So Michael Phillips, pick up this yet? What did Michael Phillips not pick up this?
Let's say me find more damning thing than that. But I put my ears and file together. The first problem is the new coach them when them buy or them a drive. The major problem by Auditor General is the delayed parts or access to getting the parts. If this bus is more than 20 years old, where would you get that frequently needed parts to service the bus if and when they are needed? Who would be the supplier? Where you can readily get the parts locally. And if you can get it locally, you source it overseas. Majority of problem these buses have in North America is parts problem. They can't source the parts to them. That's why they might get them out and phase them into newer ones. Everybody, all of them will do the procurement process and buy them. They know that already. They knew all of that already. It's just politics. That was politics.
My God.
I'm sure no
man. Politics.
Me sure no say like on night fall a day. That bus cannot cost. It can't cost 70,000 US. Me not asking.
I see the money they are float around in an election.
So watch you go. If a brand new one is for 90,000 US, why would you buy a bus that is 20 plus years old for 79,000 US? Why would you buy a bus at 300 and plus kilomiles? Bus with 0 kilomiles for $11,000 more. One, less servicing, less wear and tear, newer technology. Everything is there already. So why would you go do that the opposite? You did it already. You know? It's servicing package. They go, if you buy this bus from Toyota or Stuart, they will be responsible for the servicing. That means you JUTC have some reduce over their hand. All them need to do is organize drivers, left the bus side, JUT or Toyota or Stuart, then service them, then pick them up. Just like with the police vehicles. When they buy them, the same thing they do. A common sense. But common sense is really common.
You really have to laugh triplets.
Common sense is really common.
Never have one box to drop you, you know.
Maybe it's just true me as a fool. Me maybe can use common sense, you see that.
But Michael Phillips need to put this on the media, make them know the price of the whole bus. Them.
General, me say two things somebody are going to prison for.
Yeah,
the drill and these bus. You're not asking.
Right, Alvira.
If you buy a bus from somebody, what was the procurement process? Who put in bid to buy these? Was one a used car dealer? Two, it was a new car dealers. And if it's a new car dealers, why they would have offered you new bus, old bus when they have new bus in their fleets already? They already have new bus somewhere in the island where they cannot take them off. There's tons or dozens of them, hundreds of them on the wharf. Why you don't buy the new one them? Why you don't buy 2023?
Make triplets in box. Make a tweet. Get triplets in box.
All right.
So it's just common sense.
Yeah.
Make a tweet. Now go back to
work. Say, you know, really just like how with the job description, you ask the government that you do an ATO. They say yes, you get the information in 30 to 60 days. Now the government, the Auditor General, you can't get access to that information. That means, me and you know what that means already.
Rex, welcome.
But Alvira, it was alleged that it's Stuart Motors bringing the buses down.
That is why I said, whoever carrying a bus,
Top up the live.
have access to new bus already. Because they already have Stuart Industrial who sell these buses and Marcus Garvey Drive, which is the same brother and sister company. So they already know what they're doing already.
Oh.
So a Stuart sell them the buses there.
No man, Stuart, bring them in. You get the contract to bring them in.
And one potential additional challenge would be water.
And you buy one old bus in $90,000.
wonder how it's easy to adapt given that potential.
So you can see the connection.
You know, because I was saying when we saw a video with this girl, London, and London was saying something similar to what is happening.
Yeah, man.
About the connection. Allegedly, because I don't know. We are just seeing the things and the information and we are sharing it. So that's it. We don't know much about what is happening, but you know something is wrong because why bringing in old buses and you can bring in new one? It's just simple. So we need a Jamaican government or Jamaican people. We need answers. Because we need to dig deep, especially Michael. We need to know what is going on.
Michael, I've got to dig deep, you know. Michael need to dig deep. But we need to let out the skeleton. I best time now.
Something is really not.
What is skeleton and then skin, you know. Take what is skeleton out of the closet.
Something not.
Yeah, them out of them hole with them, you know.
So Triple you're in the box. What you want to share with us and what information you gather, what you think about the new bus system that the government is opening now. One year, 1 and 2.
What are them there, sir?
Triplex up at top there. Just eh?
Triplet come through now.
Yeah, not you. Sorry about that.
No, Okim was sharing. We get Advocate share and Jamaican Focus share. Alvira. Triple, what more pay? When I finish the gym, what more pay Mike the triple? Triple X. I hear him. Oh, he's asking, but he's not asking what he want info. Just like that. Go ahead, Alvira. Finish up or say what anybody have to say. Come in and say.
Come to man.
No, because he's not ready, so that's what I'm gonna say. Oh my God. It's a rough food. It's a raise with pressure.
The same prison where Andrew they be like him a go in and followers them.
Why me no know why not Archer? Something not up good with we.
No.
And when you speak, and I'm saying that when you speak, they think you're not supposed to say anything.
Right, comrade, right.
Quiet. But we can't have the country run like this. Think about it.
Yeah, but right there, me they run good and a good thing. Andrew do get in the bus then for September morning.
Yes,
What kind of bus? We don't have a problem with the bus.
But
we're glad for that. But what type of bus? And then in the goat we are with tax. Eh?
No. Because when you talk about things and just like they want to shut you down. And they want to shut down person with
can't use no bus winning, can't use tax this.
Valuable information and all these things. So I don't know. Genius will soon bring you up.
If me I go sue a man for defamation, why me one use me lawyer or bailiff or whoever give me file so I'm aware of it. Why you just put this say you sue a man up to no man can receive the file? They knew what exactly going to come. Now if you buy a drill, who you buy it from? I know that Jamaica, you know, you can't tell the people, you can't call anybody.
I understand, Alvira, why them not bring, for instance, you bought something for the country, and you hear all these things is going around, saying whatever.
But I'm saying
why you can't bring the invoices?
Government can't buy buses, government can't buy equipment. You have to procure them. So they have to give you Diane to buy it.
Thank you.
Who get the contract? Well, well, me know if she, me know
We
she
don't know.
13.
We don't know. Allegedly, we don't know.
No, me know say she at them 13.
But then something that should be tabled, don't it?
But me know say if your man boss your man, one of two things happen. Is either them bite or them is a broker. And they are not a broker house. So they can't carry vehicle for you. They are not a broker house. One, why they are not a broker house? They don't take in their own cars. They have been brokers who carrying a new car for them. So why now they can be a broker?
So you coming up with this word. So you are the one doing it now.
Remember, say for them can't come straight from the companies, you know, Alvira.
And I'm telling you, I know ask me, you know. Even don't say no, I guess him, you know. I don't guess me, you know. Years me work this one.
Diane,
years.
Hello?
So he may attack no me number upon him, but it make no sense.
Hello, anybody hear me?
Yeah, we hearing you.
Yes, we hearing you. Sorry for interviewing. But my thing, when it come on to consult station and all of that stuff, right? Because you know the masses of Jamaica youths today, them not go on that the bus there because how the culture has been set already. And a lot of cause and effects when it come on to that bus because me and St. Elizabeth, two bus got a man who and it's a big problem. Sometimes the bus catch a fire with the in the night, right? And it's hard to be in the corner. And it's a lot of problem because what? They're not properly trained to monitor those bus. And it's a different situation from a normal bus. You get me? I say? So me I say is that right now,
me go in the same girls' school, you know, from St. Ann with Costa. And me I tell you say, when you back up other vehicle your size on them road there, it's quite difficult. And a Costa bus that.
Exactly. I mean I say why they don't do just like how they can do a poll. Why they don't try to do a poll with the school to ask the student them willing to take the bus? Because a lot of these people now go take a bus, so I don't see sense. Why they going spend up all of these money and the student them not going on the bus?
No, I don't think we must beat them in school bus business. This is good because the children need, especially rural children, they need buses. My problem is the damn old bus them, and my problem that the old bus them when they can't in because them the old bus they can't manage them. He'll if it go to Clarendon Hill and Manchester and Manchester and Portland have a whip a hill them.
Hello, good evening.
Man, we know for sure so they don't have problem at St. Mary.
All a bit.
Okay.
Like trip to open up.
Yeah, sorry about that, man. I get ready for jump. I'll apply for them, for Daryl Bass. Right? It started off as a political ploy. As in, they say, yes, he was doing something. Now it has a political distraction. Because what I've noticed that every time and every live that I've seen for the past couple of days, the topic of contention has been the bus. Everybody's talking about the bus. And it would seem like for persons who are undecided, it is something that is an Achilles heel to them. When they hear PNP supporters talking about the bus, a lot of persons do not have the insight or do not have the mental fortitude to actually think about what it takes for these buses to function. When they hear bus for children, they just hear and they say, these are school buses. And a lot of persons are saying, why is the PNP fighting against school bus for the children? Why is the PNP fight? Because one of the major things that I see undecided voters are even some of these laborites that pose as undecided voters saying when you're oppose everything and everything you need to oppose just because you're opposition, because they're trying to make it seem like the only reason why the PNP is opposing this is because they are just opposing it. While the facts are being lost. The truth of the matter is this. Let me tell you what I want. We want to understand. We want to say, whether or not we talk about discuss these buses, Daryl Vaz is as stubborn as a mule. There's nobody in this country that can tell Daryl Vaz what to do or when to do it. Even if Andrew Holness himself come and tell Daryl Vaz, say, yo brother, nobody buy them bus here. At this point in time, the way Daryl Vaz's ego is so, he would even go against Andrew Holness himself and still purchase these buses. Because him is the type of person who believes him is so him no one nobody for ridicule him or for question for him power, for him omnipotence in a Portland. He literally feels like his family own Portland, and he literally feel like the people of Portland are beholden to him. He feel like he should be worshipped in Portland. So he doesn't take kind to any form of objection or obstruction. So because he has already made up his mind that this is what he's doing, no matter how people prove to that this no make no sense. If he spend $1.4 billion to buy them bus already, he's willing to spend another 1.4 or even $2 billion to ensure that the bus them stay up on the road for another year. You understand? And all of this is going to be to the detriment of us, the Jamaican people. So I believe, and this is just me saying now, I believe that we well-thinking Jamaicans, me feel like say we need to spend energy and point out the other, because there's a whole lot of other foolishness going on. Me feel like the more we ride this bus issue, yes, I agree with everything. One thing about Alvaro come like say, him did work for the CIA or FBI. I don't want to tell nobody because Alvaro have a way to find every time me hear Alvaro talk, me learn something new.
Him have some.
I mean, can get
just go ahead, Trip.
no matter what kind of information you put out there, you have something what them call information fatigue. And I believe that Jamaica reached a point there with the bus, where them fatigue with hearing about the bus. So the more we talk about the bus, the more we feel like we are lose people, and the more momentum we take them. And the JLP know this. It's like when you go broke in a yard, or you go for go thief sitting as a criminal. When you jump the fence and you know say dog in there, we are going to attack you. You bore up a sardine and throw it to the dog them so the dog them can distract it by the sardine. Right now, this bus issue, I believe they are using it as a distraction to us. But as me tell you say, where Alvaro say, if nobody no go to jail for nothing, somebody have to go to jail for them bus. Have to. No question in it. But we need to focus and point out all of the other foolishness that we are going right now. The fact that the Jamaica Labour Party is disunited. Right now, I know say, not for the people over the Jamaica Labour Party, them just literally do what Warmington say. Them just lock them eye and just focus and try them best for us. Neglect or ignorance what them have with them other party members. So we need to start to punch the hole them and point out the disunity in the party. Because it's obviously Tufton and Faz not on the same page. Tufton are same page. You understand? Tufton and Warmington not on the same page. Warmington and Faz not on the same page. You understand? The key political figures that are in their party, they are not united. You understand? They are not united. They are not all marching to the same beat. You understand? All the thing that them right now, them are around Andrew Holness. But what is carry party is not the Jamaica Labour Party. They are literally hoping and wishing that the popularity of Andrew Holness can carry them across the finish line. That is what they are pining at. Because there's no substance over there. They are wishing and hoping that the facade that they are created.
What I said, what I said to you guys, we want to card.
We're not here, so we're not here just
No,
so
I am saying everybody in the JLP is running on their own accord. Because, as I said before earlier, we hear about the scandal and the Prime Minister cannot come out and talk to the country about it. We hear about this bus thing here, and he can't come out and talk to it. It's like every man in the cabinet I do them one business and don't care. It's anarchy over there, no? Anarchy. Warmington can do what he want to do, and he can't get no chat to. And it's a very good point Triple has made. The disunity in the JLP is ripe and stinking. And I really appreciate that point, Triple.
Well, Michael Phillips need to get this. Michael Phillips need to take up this in hand now. Excellent.
I think that it has been taken in hand. I think the point has been established by the PNP. Good to say that we are not against a rural bus system. We are all for a bus system, but what we are against is the way how the taxpayer money was spent. And I think the PNP has shown an alternative to that the same $1.4 billion, which was used to buy 110 buses, could have been used to buy 107 Coaster, which let us drive out of Toyota Jamaica and start working immediately. I think that has been shown by the mathematics. And I think well-thinking Jamaican looking at whether committed or not committed can see the wastage in taxpayer money by what has happened. So I think Triple is correct. I think people have seen what is happening right.
Reggie, let me tell you something. You see right now, the major issue where that me feel like PNP must spread them bed pan and dig a foundation and plant themselves into the major issue. Education and healthcare. Education and healthcare are the two major
security too, Triple. Security is important.
Alright, you say security kind of fickle. You know why I say security them I feel at security as well, you know. But security kind of fickle because the average person, you have to think about what the average person think, you know. You can't just hold everybody, and everybody, as me say, I mean, this is no disrespect to the Jamaican people or the Jamaican populace. And every voter can differentiate between security and murder rate. You understand? And the truth of the matter, Jamaica Labour Party has been itching them wagon and spending a whole lot of money to spread to propagandize the murder rate, to make it feel like the murder rate is the only factor when it comes to crime and security. You understand me I say? The Jamaica Labour Party has spent so money to create the narrative that once the murder rate go down, crime is down, and the country is more secure. You understand me I say? So if it's going to be very difficult for you to re-educate or realign or to malign the propaganda machine that is already in motion. Security. What we need to focus on is the things that the JLP has spent nothing on, has not been focusing on any at all. We have a health minister that is incompetent. What he used to prove his competence is COVID. That is what he used to prove his confidence. Oh, he was so great at COVID. Now, to be the best of the worst does not mean that you're good. You understand? To be the best of the worst does not mean that you're good. It does mean that you're better than the worst. You understand? And if we are really and truly honest, what happened in COVID was that the government took over absolute power and we became a police state in a COVID. And if that is what we are going to do, you look and say, okay, we did a good job by becoming a dictatorship. We literally were at the brink of a dictatorship in COVID. And if what you're going to say was what made you do a good job. So for you to act, or for you to be able to run a country effectively, you have to have absolute power. You have to be a dictator, literally, to run a country properly. You understand what I say? Or to run a system properly. Once there's an economy, which we live in a democratic society, and every member of this is autonomous, outside of the law. You understand? Outside the country is autonomous. You can't run the country properly. When you look at the condition and the state of the healthcare system in Jamaica, it is easy for you to point and say, look at that. Look at the fact that medication is sparse. Look at the fact that the necessary equipment that is needed is in a state of disrepair. If they buy a machine today, by next week, it now no use because there was none there from before, and because they have to lean on the new machine because the apparatus was not being purchased and not maintained as they should. None of the maintenance quotas were being met for the past 8 years. You understand? So when them are trying to use political expediency right now to purchase things and donate them, and then Andrew Wellness go every. Andrew Wellness is more like a photography appendage now, more than a prime minister. Andrew Wellness has been reduced to a photography appendage. You understand? Or a backdrop. Andrew Wellness is a backdrop now. That more of a backdrop than a prime minister. Because every single thing we are going in the parish, we are hand over, or a ribbon cutting, whether private sector or public sector, he is there to take a picture. So what I want to know is when him find time to actually sit down and work on policy and instill policy, when he is always in route, when him now take picture, bicycle ride or a run. You understand me I say? So when him find time to run the country, and this is why so much foolishness are going, because his cabinet is so grossly incompetent. His cabinet is so grossly incompetent in everything. A commissioner of police who is a dictator, who is a totalitarian. The commissioner of police, the man literally I go say, why does Indicom need body cam footage when the police them already write a statement? How can the commissioner of police say that and make him subordinates them here? So basically I think the subordinates them say, anything we write down at that Indicom have to work with. How can you say that to Jamaican? And the truth of the matter is, no people who are going to say, oh, triple love tear down Jamaica. But the truth is, we as Jamaicans are some very curmudgeon people. You give we an inch and we take a mile. You give we an inch and we take a mile. And everyone are we corrupt. But corruption is sitting where we run rampant in Jamaica, in every sector. If it not managed properly, not proper oversight, a man with TV chair where you sit down and work. And the whole of we know this. But because Jamaicans have a concept in them head where say, if you can't hustle upon the work no good. You have a mindset. If you cannot hustle upon a job, if the job not hustling, it's not a good job.
But Triple X, you know, say literally a JLP them based off of artificial intelligence is because the bunch of them to me are AI, bro. The bunch of them are AI for me right now, because me them matter about a lot of things with AI, right? And they know say, because if put in AI, me know say them are going to try to tamper with the election, right? But me get together say, because Andrew was there, you know, and him now go and call election till all the J1 students them come back. Because when me check statistics, me and my friend them, a whole heap of University of Jamaican student leave, gone overseas to work. And then get most of votes from university student.
You saw a woman that was stranded.
Let me tell you something. You see the Jamaica Labour Party, they preach exceptionalism. That is what them focus on. Exceptionalism. And I understand why them are going to get university students, because them indoctrinate them up there. Because I have to tell you the truth. I have a little sister where go you with. We come from my place to Allinston. And the girl is a girl and I know for a good while from before she start go you. You understand? It's a girl that I could have reasoned with normal, and come is a man I ever reason with my friend them and them thing, and we talk, and when she have her issues then she talk to me, and she used to have a little family issues, and she have her father. They are foreign, and she live with her mother, and she and her mother have some issues, and she go through some little financial issues. And me and her used to talk and read. We look upon them things and re. She insists start go away. Zine, to meet a gentleman, an older gentleman, and the gentleman, and take care of her a little way. She start go away now, and she not for her work. She have get an allowance, and man pay for her rent and them something there. I say she end up joining the G2K. You understand? When she joined the G2K, I say, oh, you end up this. So she say, the gentleman and she talk to introduce her to one of Theme Bridging girlfriend in the G2K as well. You understand? So them over there, them attack and them basically propagandize, and I say, okay, Ray. And then the way from ever since she in the car, I talk to her, I say, where you gone over this? Because this a little bit from about last year.
But Triple A, the substantial issues that them are going to pull back the J1 student with the path for them side. No, this is real theory, me again. Nothing hopscotch, because Jamaican people are so barbaric and so stupid. I try to reach out to PNP listener, and then say, oh, they might try to pull back the J1 student, them was. And because I'm never said to them, so how stupid and illiterate that is.
Oh, you know, so most of the J1 student and then condemn in their brain and then understand politics.
Yes, because
them young impressionable mind. That may I try to show yourself. Brother, may I try to show yourself. Them young impressionable mind, them sets and work them mind, work them conceptualization and perception, how them perceive life. And then, people them feel like say, okay, you are better than every other Jamaican out there, any other Jamaican out there who you see that is suffering is because they do not want to go out there and push themselves to get this. And when you see people suffering, it's their fault. There is so much opportunity here for them to try and get, but they are not getting it. And this is same young lady, she taught them things and resonate them point. I mean, I say, but a couple of months ago, you were in the same situation as those persons. You were a hard-working young lady, but you see your circumstances and your situation where you did inner, where cause you to experience abstract poverty and them things. But you, somebody will help you now, and because that person will help you now, and you are able to afford to go to school and afford accommodation and live in a better life because you are saying that, okay, you are better than those persons because you have somebody that is your sponsor now.
Yeah.
The people them who don't have a sponsor now, them not deserve an opportunity, a country that can actually, or an economy that is going to work for them so that they can get an extra push where they need. You are getting extra push where you need, and then you feel like you're better than the people because you have this. The indoctrination of them sets and put on these children, this young impressionable mind, make them feel like say racist. So them over there and them go and go farm their mindset and make them think and teach them this political propaganda and carve them out in a them thing from early because them people don't know nothing about the world. Them parents and mind them the world.
Let me tell you something, Triple X. A J1 student we got you over university here, and them are gonna make a final say when elections call because right now them as a team say yo don't call it. Wait until we come back and me hear them say if you call it, you have to go send back to us, because we have to do the work. And most of them have a very profound voice on that platform. So when I say, yo, if I say the case, I will jump back when I pay and come back and then call it. And I will leave a PNP youth, I say them, I will jump back when I pay and come back.
I don't keep listening to you. I don't see the volume of J1 students because the youth population are youth and UTech and PNCU.
It's not UTech and UE. A lot of college all over Jamaica. Right now, when we check the statistics, though, statistics is important.
So you are saying, let me ask a question.
Over 7,000 students gone up already for the program.
I'm asking you a question. I'm just asking you a question. You are saying to me that university students are more prone to being members of the JLP than PNP?
Well, in a my
ask you a question, yes or no?
Listen, you have to context matter.
No, Diane, I'm asking a direct question.
And I'm telling you that in my own
I don't think so.
In my own institution, a lot of labor rights in there because some of them might be captivated by the other set aside.
Yeah, man, but I'm asking you a question again. Are you saying that more university students are labor rights than
No, but you find your kids have grown in a PMP out, and since they're in college.
No, Diane. I am asking about. This is the question I'm asking.
Sir, let me clarify. Let me clarify this.
I'm just asking. When equitability, I am asking.
Me understand. Let me clarify. Let me tell you.
Are there more students who are attending?
You use them brain, man. They messed up.
Let me tell you something.
What is that to say?
Let me tell you
my
something.
time, not excellent. Excellent. Not in my time. Not in my time.
Because they are things that they put on them.
Let me tell you something. A 3 degree no me have a UE. And a 3 degree me there UE long time, bro. I mean, I tell you say, every time when they about have them function and PNP have them function, and when you check statistics, there's a lot of labor rights in UE. Me I tell you. A whole heap of labor.
I was at you, and I am asking you the same question I'm going to ask you again. Are you saying to me that there are more labor rights, the population at university students?
You itself.
Labor right is substantially higher than the PNP.
I doubt it.
No, but they try, but only because
I doubt it.
No.
I doubt it. But what the situation is, they try to get in the mind of these young people.
But
I have a niece.
Nasi, I'm going to tell you Nasi.
Yeah.
Both political parties actively recruit on the campuses.
Yes, I know that. I leave UA just this year, and she applied for 2 jobs. But before I knew after she get a job, but she applied for a job at Babsy Grange's office, and I was like, "What are you doing? What are you doing? You don't need to work with those type of people." Thank God, the other job came up before, just as she get the answer for the next job, the next one from Babsy Grange office. And I was so glad that she get the job before, because I don't want her to go work with none of these, because I know what happened.